Got a stimulus check burning a hole in your pocket? Instead of splurging, let's talk about making that money work for you. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you how to invest your stimulus check like a pro in 2025. We're diving into the stock market, exploring high-growth opportunities, and even talking about the most valuable investment of all, yourself. Stick around, hit that like button, and let's make your money work harder than you do. First up, let's talk about the stock market. The stock market can be risky, but there's a smarter, safer way: low-cost index funds. Think of an index fund like a basket of stocks. When you buy into an index fund like one that tracks the S&P 500, you're investing in hundreds of different companies at once. That means your risk is spread out, making it a much more stable investment in the long run. Apps like Robinhood or Fidelity have made investing accessible to everyone. Historically, the S&P 500 has grown about 10% per year on average. If you put that $1,200 stimulus check into an S&P 500 index fund, and it grows at that average rate, in 10 years, you're looking at over $3,100. In 30 years, nearly $21,000, all from a single stimulus check. Reinvest those dividends. Instead of cashing them out, let them compound over time and watch your money really grow. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Option 2 is for all my risk takers out there: high-growth stocks and crypto. I'm talking about doing your research, understanding the potential, and being smart about it. Imagine you had put $1,200 into Tesla or Bitcoin back in 2020. We all know how those stories turned out. While those were massive wins and there's never a guarantee of replicating that, it shows the power of investing in high-growth assets. The key is to identify the next big trends. Are you bullish on AI? Look into companies developing cutting-edge artificial intelligence. Think a certain altcoin is about to take off? Do your due diligence and consider a small investment. Remember, with high growth potential comes high risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose, and don't let emotions drive your decisions. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about staying ahead of the curve and potentially reaping significant rewards down the line. Chapter 3. The ultimate investment: yourself. Seriously, this is the one investment that will always pay dividends, no matter what the market is doing. Think of it this way: your stimulus check is $1,200. What if you could use it to make $60,000, $100,000, even more per year? That's the power of investing in your education and skills. The job market is competitive. Platforms like Udemy and Coursera offer courses on everything from coding to digital marketing to, you guessed it, investing, all for less than the price of a dinner out. Let's say you use that $1,200 to take a few courses on Python programming. You buckle down, learn the skills, and land a job as a software engineer making $60,000 a year. In that scenario, your stimulus check just paid for itself 50 times over. And that's just the beginning. Investing in yourself is the smartest money move you can make. There you have it. 3 killer ways to invest your stimulus check in 2025. Index funds, high-growth assets, or yourself. The key takeaway here is this: don't let that money sit idle. Make it grow. Like this video if you're ready to start investing, subscribe for more money hacks, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Next up, 5 stocks to buy in 2025. You won't want to miss it. How are you investing your stimulus check? Comment below. Let's get this to 10 million views together.